First exercise, machine shoulder press. Sit with a straight back, engage your core, and press the handles upward until your arms are nearly extended. Lower the handles slowly with control to maintain shoulder stability and maximize deltoid engagement. Second exercise, dumbbell rear delt fly. Bend forward at the hips with a straight back, engage your core, and raise the dumbbells out to your sides, keeping a slight bend in your elbows. Lower the weights slowly with control to maximize rear deltoid engagement and avoid swinging. Third exercise, seated shoulder press. Sit with a straight back, engage your core, and press the barbell overhead until your arms are nearly extended, keeping elbows slightly forward. Lower the bar slowly to shoulder level with control to maximize deltoid engagement and maintain stability. Fourth exercise, seated lateral raise. Sit with a straight back, engage your core, and raise the dumbbells out to your sides to shoulder height, keeping a slight bend in your elbows. Lower the weights slowly with control to maximize lateral deltoid engagement and avoid swinging. Fifth exercise, dumbbell shrug. Stand with a straight back, engage your core, and lift the dumbbells by shrugging your shoulders toward your ears, keeping arms straight. Lower the weights slowly with control to maximize trapezius engagement and avoid rolling your shoulders. Sixth exercise, barbell upright row. Stand with a straight back, engage your core, and pull the barbell up to your chest, leading with your elbows and keeping the bar close to your body. Lower the bar slowly with control to maximize trapezius and deltoid engagement and avoid jerking. Seventh exercise, wrist roller. Stand with a straight back, engage your core, and roll the wrist roller by rotating your wrist to lift the weight, keeping arms extended. Lower the weight slowly by reversing the motion to maximize forearm engagement and maintain control. Eighth exercise, reverse wrist curl. Sit with forearms on your thighs or a bench, palms down, gripping a barbell, and curl it upward by flexing your wrists. Lower the barbell slowly with control to maximize forearm extensor engagement and avoid jerking.